How to use regex to tell if first and last character of a string match. I'm relatively new to using Python and regex, and I wanted to check if strings' first and last characters are the same. If first and last characters are same, then return true, X, ABA. If first and last characters are not same, then return false, X, UB. Below is the code I've written. But from the above code, I don't see any output.
If and only if you really want to use regex for learning purpose. Output. Explanations. Caret start of line anchor. Dot match the first character of the line and store it in a group. Dot asterisk match any characters anytime. \1 back reference to the first group, in this case the first character, to impose that the first char and the last one are equal. $end of line anchor. Demo this URL. Otherwise the best approach is to simply use the comparison string 0 == string -1. Output.
Why do you over-engineer with and regex at all? One principle of programming should be keeping it simple like. Or is there a need for regex?
The above answer of Tobias is perfect and simple, but if you want solution using regex, then try the below code. Try this code. Output.
I think this is the regex you are trying to execute. Code. Output.
If you want to check with regex, use below. This will match first and last character of line or string. If they match, then it returns matching character. In that case, it will print string of line, otherwise it will skip.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.